Hi guys, this is Kushi from Shine and Slay, and today in this video I'm going to share recipe of homemade rice and potato face cream, which is very easy to prepare at home. And this cream will not only give you a glass skin but will also help you prevent signs of skin aging and will solve all your skin concerns like dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, wrinkles, and many more. Rice and potato has immense beauty benefits. These are the key ancient ingredients which are very popular in Korean skincare products. Regular use of this cream can help you having a crystal clear, glossy and wrinkle-free skin just like them. This cream is suitable for all skin types and all age people. Now let's dive into the video and let me show you how to prepare this cream. Take 2 tablespoons of washed rice. Make sure to wash the rice 3-4 times thoroughly to wash away all impurities or dirt. Add half cup of pure water and let it soak for 30 minutes. Now take one small sized potato and wash it and then cut it into small cubes. After 30 minutes, strain the rice water into a bowl. Don't throw this rice water, and you can store it in a spray bottle and use as a toner after washing your face. Now take a pan and put it on flame. Now add soaked rice and potato pieces into the pan. Add 1 cup of water and let it boil. It will take around 25 to 30 minutes to cook on medium flame. Let it form a creamy consistency mixture like this. Now separate excess water. Now you need to mash the mixture into a fine paste. You can use a grinder to mash it. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Rice is rich in vitamin B and a powerful antioxidant which boosts collagen production and remove wrinkles and fine lines. Rice also prevents the skin from sun damage. Potatoes helps to brighten the skin and lessen the appearance of dark spots. Potatoes also contains vitamin C, which helps to prevent wrinkles and remove pimples. Now transfer the mixture into a clean bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Almond oil has lots of vitamins which helps to improve complexion and prevent premature aging. Now add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which helps to treat acne and acts as effective moisturizer. Now add 2 vitamin E capsule oil. Vitamin E oil is loaded with antioxidant and help to make the skin firm and glowing. Now add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin makes the skin soft and supple. If you have extremely dry skin, then you can increase the quantity of glycerin. Now add few drops of any essential oil of your choice. Our face cream is ready now. Transfer it into an airtight container and store it in refrigerator. It's good to use until 2 weeks. Apply this face cream regularly every night before you sleep for effective results. After applying this cream, if you feel particles of rice left on your face, then you can gently massage and remove it. This cream feels very lightweight on skin and gives you a beautiful shine instantly. I'm sure you're gonna love this cream, guys. Use this cream yourself and share your feedbacks if you like it. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Until then, take care. Bye.